Why does the volume on my phone go from silent whisper mode to air raid siren in one button press? Like I'm just chilling, right? Volume on 6. That's basically nothing. Then I tap it one time, and suddenly my phone is like, oh, you wanted a concert. Now everyone knows what I'm watching. My family, my neighbors, the FBI. My phone just blasts audio like, hey everyone, this person is watching something embarrassing, and don't let it be late at night. I'm trying to be quiet, sneaky, respectful. Then, boom. My phone screams like it's fighting for its life. Why is there no warning? Why is there no volume buffer zone? Why does 6 jump straight to 47? At that point, I'm not watching a video. I'm hosting a public event. Now I gotta sit there pretending that was on purpose. Like, yeah, totally meant for everyone to hear that. Totally part of the plan.